See the crystal raindrop fall on the window down the hall, and it becomes the morning dew to make those rainbows in my mind. When I think of you sometime, wanna be the one with you, just the two of us. We can make it if we try.
Today, we're absolutely thrilled to bring you an in-depth review of the all-new 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid. This latest model from Hyundai is generating a lot of buzz, and for good reason. With its stunning design, advanced hybrid technology, and a suite of premium features, the Santa Fe Hybrid is positioned to be a game-changer in the SUV market. Let's dive into the details and find out if this is the one to get. Eye-catching exterior design. The 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid boasts a bold and sophisticated exterior design that's sure to make a statement on the road. The sleek lines and dynamic curves give it a modern and athletic look. At approximately 188 inches in length, 75 inches in width, and 66 inches in height, the Santa Fe Hybrid has a commanding presence. The front fascia is dominated by a striking grille and sharp LED headlights that not only enhance visibility but also add a touch of elegance. The sculpted bodywork and stylish alloy wheels contribute to its aerodynamic efficiency and visual appeal. Luxurious and spacious interior. Step inside the 2024 Santa Fe Hybrid, and you'll be greeted by a luxurious and thoughtfully designed interior. The cabin is a haven of comfort, featuring high-quality materials like soft-touch surfaces, premium leather upholstery, and tasteful trim accents. With spacious seating for up to 5 passengers, there's plenty of room to stretch out and relax. The interior dimensions are generous, ensuring ample legroom and headroom for everyone. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, creating an open and airy feel. Advanced features like dual-zone climate control and heated and ventilated seats add to the overall comfort and convenience. Cutting-edge features and technology. The 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid is packed with state-of-the-art technology that enhances both convenience and safety. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a large, high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing seamless smartphone integration. The premium sound system delivers crystal-clear audio, making every drive enjoyable. The SUV also includes a wireless charging pad, multiple USB ports, and a customizable digital driver display. Safety is a top priority, with features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system ensuring peace of mind on every journey.
I see the crystal raindrop fall on the window down the alcohol, and it becomes the morning dew to make those rainbows in my mind when I think of you sometime.
Impressive hybrid performance. Under the hood, the 2024 Santa Fe Hybrid is powered by an advanced hybrid system that combines a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor. This setup delivers a combined output of 226 horsepower, providing brisk acceleration and smooth power delivery. The hybrid powertrain is mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission, offering seamless shifts and optimal efficiency. With its advanced all-wheel drive system, the Santa Fe Hybrid is ready to tackle any road conditions with confidence. The hybrid technology not only enhances performance but also improves fuel economy, making it an environmentally friendly choice. Advanced hybrid technology. The 2024 Santa Fe Hybrid's powertrain is a marvel of modern engineering. The combination of a turbocharged engine and an electric motor provides the perfect blend of power and efficiency. The regenerative braking system captures energy during deceleration, converting it into electricity to recharge the battery. This innovative technology not only extends the driving range but also reduces emissions, making the Santa Fe Hybrid a responsible choice for eco-conscious drivers. The transition between gasoline and electric power is seamless, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable driving experience.
You and I, baby.
Competitive pricing and value. Despite its premium features and advanced technology, the 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid is competitively priced, offering exceptional value for money. The starting price is anticipated to be around $35,000, making it accessible to a wide range of buyers. Hyundai has managed to create a vehicle that combines luxury, performance, and practicality without breaking the bank. With various trim levels and customization options available, you can tailor the Santa Fe Hybrid to meet your specific needs and preferences, ensuring maximum value for your investment. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the all-new 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid. This SUV sets a new standard in its class, offering a perfect blend of style, performance, and innovation. We hope you found this review as exhilarating and informative as we did. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and leave a positive comment below. Your support helps us bring you more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest automotive trends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.
We can make it if we try, just the two of us. Just the two of us. Building castle in the sky. Just the two of us. You and I, baby. The two of us, just the two of us, with the castle in the sky, babe. Just the two of us, just the two of us. stick to